Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is July 7, 2015. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. What you're going to see here is the futures are trading up by 3.5 points to 20.68 per contract. Again, the markets still remain relatively very weak out here. You could see yesterday we had a pretty big rally in the morning and then a fade. So again, markets really are unable to hold their gains as of late. We'll see what today brings. Once again, futures are trading higher by about 3 points right now, 20.67.5 per contract. So we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. But there are some stocks in the news. There is some money to be made out here today. Let's take a look at AMD. This stock is getting absolutely hammered to the downside. Right now it's trading at $2.04. This is about a 16-17% decline. The stock closed at $2.47 yesterday. The only level I'm seeing, it was a little minor level at $2, but I don't even know if it's even worthy of trading it there. The stock remains very, very weak at the moment. So again, be careful with this one. It's just, I don't know if it's really going to be much worth of a trade. So we'll watch this once the opening bell rings. We'll see what it looks like. And once again, if you want to come trade with us, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat at InTheMoneyStocks.com, and you'll see everything that we're doing. Let's take a look at Shake Shack, SHAK. It looks like this is trading lower as well. I believe this was a downgrade. The stock closed at $59. I am seeing support around 53. So if it gets down to 53, there's a level there. Next level after that would be around 49.56. So two levels for Shake Shack that I'll be watching today for support. First level is $53. Next one is going to be $49.53. Both levels should give you intraday bounces. You could watch for the news on this one. I believe it's a downgrade, but I'm not 100% sure. Let's take a look at Sanderson Farms or Sprout Farms, SFM. Right here, this stock is getting, this is Sprout Farmers Market. Stock is catching a big bid. It looks like there's some news out there saying that this may be bought out at some point. I don't know if it's true or not, but I'm going to give it the upside bias at $30.44. So again, nice little pop here. There's not much volume behind this, so be careful. This could come right back in. But again, if it does hold up, I'm going to give it the upside bias to around $30.44. I'm not sure how it will play out once the volume opens up. But again, it'll be on our radar once the opening bell rings. So again, if you want to come over and trade it with us, take a 7-day free trial. You'll see everything that we're looking at ahead of the opening bell. Let's take a look at SHLM here. SHLM, this is a plastics producer. Stock is trading right now at $39, closed at $42.16. A level I like for this stock would be right around the $37 area. So if it gets down to $37, I would be interested in this thing. Now this is a light volume name. What I mean by that is it generally does not trade 1 million shares a day on average. It trades about 150 to 200,000 a day, so it can overshoot levels. So even the 37 level, which I like a lot, it can overshoot it a little bit. That's just the nature of the beast when you trade these light volume names, so just be prepared for that. Let's take a look at PNK, and this is not pink, it's Pinnacle Entertainment. It looks like there is a potential buyout in this one. If I'm not mistaken, it looks like I forget the company, but somebody is looking to get in to potentially take them over. I think it might be GLPI. So again, GLPI is up on the news as well. This is Gaming and Leisure Properties. They may be looking to take over PNK. So if you own PNK, trail your stop loss. If you don't own it, I wouldn't do anything here. Again, there's another light volume name. There's not a ton of volume there, but there's something. So this is getting a move on a potential takeover bid. We'll see how it plays out, and we'll see where it goes. But again, if you own PNK, just sit tight, trail your stop loss. That's the best way to play it. Tesla, I believe, was downgraded today. Normally, I don't really comment too much on upgrades and downgrades, but that seems to be what's moving stocks today. So Tesla trading at 275, closed at 279.72. There's nothing I would do here with Tesla at the moment. So sit tight. If you own it, trail your stop loss. If you don't own it, I would not be a buyer of Tesla here at these levels. I think there's a lot of resistance up here at these double tops, and this double top goes back to really September of 2014. Let's take a look at AAP, which is Advanced Auto Parts. Stock is trading up a little bit. There's no real volume behind it. They are moving into the S&P 500 tomorrow afternoon. So again, a lot of that's already baked into the cake. I wouldn't make too much out of it at the moment. Next up on my board, we're going to talk about gold, which is getting absolutely annihilated today. Take a look at the GLD this morning. Trading at 111.17, closed at 112.06. Gold futures right now are down about 15.5 points to $1,157 an ounce. And you can see with all the grease news out there, gold just never caught a bid. It never had a good reaction. The pattern has not been good on the chart. So gold under pressure this morning before the opening bell. Crude oil really was hammered yesterday. It's down 4 cents today to $52.48 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO today, what you're going to see here, crude is trading at on the USO at 17.57, close at 17.73. There's nothing to do either in gold or crude today. The dollar is very strong. You take a look at my left side of my screen. But one thing I want people to note is that the dollar is into resistance right here at this level. But the dollar moved up, and certainly gold moved down. Oil moved down. That's kind of the relationship right now. There are times when the dollar and gold can trade up together, but they're not all that often, so be aware of that. All right, I think I covered everything that I wanted to get through today. Futures up $2 right now. Right now they're trading at 20.66.5 per contract. We'll see where this market goes once the opening bell rings, but this has been a market under pressure. We'll see if that does continue today. With that being said, everybody, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. If we got volatility, we got action. With that being said, have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.